All right, welcome back. We are now going to attempt task 2, document production, step 2. I would like to focus on a conceptual question that this requires us to have the understanding of knowing how to design the header and footer of a document. So if you're doing this question, we must possess an understanding of how to design the header and footer before we proceed at the exam. Now, step 2 wants us to continue with the nursery document that we did. Make sure that it's capital letter. If you have not saved this in the capitalized Word document, you might want to change that. I know it doesn't make a difference because you're practicing, but in the exam, it's best to form a habit to follow the instructions given. So we are going to make sure that we create a right-aligned header on a single line. All right, right align header, I'm just going to highlight this so that this is going to be in importance, right align header. And we're going to go back to this document that we have here. I'm going to zoom in a little bit so you guys can see clearly as you watch this video. And to create a header, there's various ways that we can do so. We can go to the insert ribbon at the top and select header, or we can just simply double click at the main top of the header, make it easily. And then we're going to right align this by just selecting home and right align so that we have the cursors on the right side of the page. And we are going to write and type this exactly: prospectus produced by our name, center number, and candidate number. All right, just going to undo this a little bit because I don't want that to be highlighted. But anyway, so name, center number, and candidate number. So we're just going to go back to this document and type in prospectus. All right. Oops, sorry about that. Prospectus produced by, and then we have my name. All right, center number, which is MY, maybe 199. All right, because I'm based in Malaysia once again, and then 0011. And that's about it for this. Okay. Now the question did says that this particular question did ask us to bold this. We gotta make sure that we follow exactly what we see here. And then we gonna bold this particularly, and then left align automated page numbers. Okay. So since we already started, and depending on whether you started with the page number or you started with this header, if you want to put a left align page header, oh sorry, it's left align footer. This is a footer with automated page numbers. So we can go all the way to the bottom and make sure the footer is selected on the left at the bottom. And then we can simply go on insert and select page number, and then bottom of the page, you can select a plain one on the left, and that should be fine for most of us there. Okay, so automated page number has none, but it does say that all the header details are in a single line, which we did. All the alignments match the page margin. No other text or placeholder are included in the header or footer areas, and the header or footers are displayed in all pages. All right, so I believe it's follow the margins that I wanted to, and then this is also follow the margins that I have as well, and then this is appearing in both of the pages that I needed to. So right now we are currently looking at the mark scheme, and if we have placed the text properly, prospectus produced by with the bolden place, with the bolden word prospectus produced by, and then everything is being accurately placed with your name, center number, and candidate number, same line, right align. Of course, they say it has a little space right there, which we did just now. And then we have the automated page number left align at the bottom of the table, which is right here. And I believe we can be awarded with 3 marks if we follow exactly with these 3 requirements. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next step.